Well, adding a reliable source of power to your vehicle is now made easier than ever with the Canopy system range from Dometic. These units are built to withstand the harsh Australian conditions out on the road and come with pre-wired components for easy installation into your vehicle. Today I've got two systems with me, the Voyager and the Adventurer. Now you can charge these things multiple ways via vehicle input, mains or solar. The Voyager is Dometic's top of the range powerhouse. Now this thing has a 3000 watt, 100 amp inverter and it will handle those bigger appliances such as microwaves, induction cooktops and coffee machines. This system is built to handle it all, with ample pre-wired circuit breakers for mains power equipment and rocker switches for lights and auxiliary loads, while offering USB, SIG socket, Anderson plug and twin RCD protected PowerPoint input options. Now let's move on to the Adventurer. Now this is Dometic's best seller. It's a more compact design and I reckon it'd be perfect for the 200 series. You can mount it on the left, the right and even on the ceiling and free up all that floor space. This model is designed for the end user, only requiring a minimum power option in a neat package and includes a 2000 watt inverter and an intelligent face panel providing multiple inputs. Another great feature in this range is these customizable rocker switches, so you can match them to your appliances for easy operation. And finally, both of these units are backed by a 5-year warranty and unlimited tech support. To find out more about Dometic's range, head to their website.